up, you guys? You're tuned in on Nasir Out the Doors. Today we'll be doing well, not unboxing, but we're going to be opening this 10-in-1 pocket tool. Yeah, 10-in-1 pocket tool from Ort. I got this from Walmart, so. And then this is I had this for a while. This is my Smith & Wesson pocket knife. Smith & Wesson Extreme Ops pocket knife, to be exact. Okay. So when we first open it, it comes with like this little case for it. This is real leather too. Yeah, it's real leather. I'm guessing for it to go in your pocket. A little case for the multi-tool. It has some weight to it too. This is what it looks like. Well, you might know. Bye. This is a saw. They said this is a knife. This is a bottle opener right here. This is a can opener. This was a wrench or something right here. This was, okay, let me read the thing. Okay, so this is a butterfly screw wrench where my fingers coming geared up. Then this is it comes with it's backwards. It comes with a ruler. And let me close this. After you use your knife, make sure you close it. Then, what was the other one? And then both of these are wrenches. Please excuse the noise from behind the background. Yeah, that's all really. And then I don't know what this is. This little hole thing. If you know what it is, please tell me in the comments. And then let me see, how well does it get into the case? Oh, it gets in easy. So then you could just walk with it. Looks like a credit card, kind of. I need to cut this to the right length.